Now you can go from curly to straight and back to natural without harsh chemicals and without permanently altering your hair's natural texture. Introducing Beautiful Texture's new Naturally Straight Texture Manageability System. This revolutionary reversible straightening system improves manageability, giving you unparalleled straight styles with touchable softness, body, and shine for up to 4 to 6 weeks. And at any time you choose, simply bounce back to your curls, coils, or waves.
I can't stop touching my hair. I love it. It feels really great.
I love my hair and it's soft right now and everything. I love it.
Just 4 quick and easy steps to styling freedom. Just cleanse, apply interactive leave-in conditioner, blow dry hair until completely dry, flat iron, and experience reversible straightness that lasts up to 4 to 6 weeks.
It was so simple using the interactive conditioner. All I needed was that. No moisturizer, nothing to add that sheen and that bounce. So simple. It was just very, very easy.
Experience style freedom. Try it today and share your experience of having it all at TalkingTexture.com.